Yeah.
Something. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Please don't be a stingray. Please don't. Please don't. Dude, this is strong. It's strong. What is it? Whoa, 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 whoa. Don't get in my drive, bro. Oh my God, it's a huge redfish. Jesus. Come on, dude. Land it. Land it. Whoa. Holy. That right there is what I'm talking about. Holy crowd. Dude, this is a good one. This is a good one, dude. I haven't even been fishing for 20 minutes. Okay. All right, hold on. And you're mine. You're mine. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got. Dude, you're huge. You're huge. 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 $22, baby. All right, you're not as big as I thought, but you're a keeper. And come on, come on. All right, there you go. First fish. We're not here for 20 minutes. Didn't do the popping cork this time. I did a this little jig right there with some live shrimp on it. So bottom fishing, hoping to get some sheep's head. Evidently there's some sheep's head going through here, but I got a redfish. He'll go on the grill tonight. Let's throw another one out, see if we could get some sheep's head. Joe, where's Joe at? Oh, Joe's right there. Okay, I haven't fished with Joe. He actually invited us. Cool guy. And he's a legend. He's a legend. He's a kayak fisherman legend. He's gonna take us up some creeks later. Yep. You want some?
Nah, I'm good. I didn't bring any stuff for live bait.
I got another one of those jigs.
Good right now. Yeah. Bath water.
Red. Small red. Small red. A fish on here? Do I have a... Oh, I got a fish on here, dude. Yeah. Oh, please don't be a stingray. Oh, wait. I think it's just grass. Oh, it's grass.
I've never caught a stingray. You're slaying the fish.
Oh, no, it is a stingray. Another small red. Pulled him right out of the water. Right out.
What?
All right, my little island's gone. Oyster bars are going underwater. High tide is here. We're gonna head up in the creeks. So far I got one 22-inch redfish, 2 baby redfish, I didn't even measure them, and 2 stingrays. All right, I think I finally found Joe, dead ahead. Totally disappeared on us. Pretty sure that's him.
See how narrow this gets?
Yeah.
You got GoPro?
Yeah.
You don't ever want to be trapped here in a negative tide. Trust me on this.
Oh, I bet. It's a nice one?
No, but it's a red.
Yeah. It's not too bad.
You got it?
Yeah.
This is one of the only 2 places that I know of that has tide coming in 2 ways and tide leaving 2 ways. I just don't do good out where you guys, obviously you guys do. I don't know what it is. They don't like me out there.
It's hard. This is hard. This is hard. I'm not a very accurate caster. This is hard.
I just had a bite or something.
Wow. Go on, get him.
That's 3. And I just missed the 4. Nobody but me would think that this would be in this type of
Man. Nice.
Holy shit.
That might be within slot. I don't know. I know you don't keep them, but You have a measuring thing?
Yeah. You got it?
You gonna measure it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got it.
Nice, man.
I told you, man, when we were talking online.
Uh-huh. Yep.
Nobody would think to be around.
Good one.
Oh. Come on. There you go. The good thing is, if you're staying with me, you got my best tide. My favorite tide is outgoing.
Me too. That's when I catch most of the fish.
Me too, especially with cold beach. That's a slot.
Yep.
I am the creek master. God.
Cool, man. There you go. What you got? Oh no. No. Fish straight ahead. Come on. That's where the fish were. I saw them. Alright, fish. Yeah. Come on, boy. Come on, boy. Come on, boy. Come on aboard. Come on aboard. Come on aboard my boat, my vessel. There you go. Alright, you're not very big. And I already got my dinner. So I'm gonna let you go. So just chill. Chill. So I'll measure you. A little 14. A little 14. Alright, come on. Come on. See, that wasn't that bad. See ya.
Where'd you get it? I gotta let it warm up for a few seconds. So today was a day.
It's a good day, yeah. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Pulling me. Towing me back. There we go. Yipper.